Hello friends, today I am going to deliver a presentation on how to Google through Google. This is really amazing. We will learn the tips how we can use various things to explore the net with the help of Google. There are many options. We can sharp our search by using various keywords and tactics. Let us explore now. Welcome, this is Dr. Lalit. In order to get regular notifications, please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification.
Tip number 1. Using quotes for searching a specific text. If you want to explore only the pages containing a specific text, then write that text in quotes in the search bar and click search, then Google will provide the web pages containing that specific text. This feature of Google is really amazing because it filters and gives only those web pages which contain the exactly similar text, searched by the user. For example, if you search Dr. Lalit Kumar, then Google gives the following responses. Tip number 2, using asterisk for specifying unknown text. The asterisk can be used to denote something unknown, means at the place of asterisk Google may assume anything and then search the text. For example, if you write asterisk financial rules and search, then it means Google can search blank followed by financial rules, and then in the blank Google can take anything whichever is available in the web pages. The Google will show. Tip number 3, in case you want to search something in a particular website, through Google. Suppose you know the website and the website is so huge to explore. In case you want to search that particular site for your results, then you can use a keyword that is site. For example, if you write in Google search bar, site, Haryana, then Google will provide all the websites containing the word Haryana. For example, if we want to search management in a website named drlalitsentia.blogspot.in, then. Tip number 4, using minus symbol to reduce the results related to a specific word. Suppose you are going to search the sites related to Haryana, but at the same time, you are not interested to explore the government sites. What it means, you want to search Haryana sites but not the government sites. Then you can write site, Haryana government. Here it should be noted that the minus sign and the word should not be separated with space. If we search site, Haryana, then. But on the other side, if we search site, Haryana minus government. Tip number 5, search definitions of particular words. In case you want to search the meaning and definition of any word, then use the word define. For example, suppose you want to know the definition of village. Then you can write define, village. Tip number 6, press the mic icon provided in right side of Google search bar and speak the words you want to search. Google recognizes the voice and search the words you speak if you speak after pressing the mic icon provided in the right side of Google search bar.